Every musculoskeletal injury goes through 3 important stages of healing, which are inflammation, repair, and remodeling. Inflammation is the body's emergency response and begins immediately after an injury to fight the most dangerous effects. This causes swelling, redness, and pain for 3 to 5 days. With inflammation, no time of the day or night is pain-free. If rest or changing position reduces your pain, then the injury has moved to the repair stage. On a cellular level, inflammation attracts specialized cells called fibroblasts, which spin webs of connective tissue to bind the wound together, similar to the scab on a scratch wound. This limits the flow of fluids, protects the injury, and begins repair. Food supplements can be used to help this process by supplying the body with the nutrients it needs to heal and keep the inflammation at a healthy level. These include omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids found in vegetable oils like flaxseed and fish oils, and antioxidant nutrients such as vitamin C, E, selenium, and bioflavonoids. The standard treatment for acute injury is rest, ice, compression, and elevation, also known by the acronym RICE. Rest prevents further irritation and injury. Ice and compression reduces swelling, and elevating the injury above the level of the heart allows the swelling to drain. RICE is generally done for 3 to 5 days after an injury, but it can be used whenever the inflammation flares up. Gently moving the affected area can be helpful if it doesn't increase the pain or create more injuries. For example, patients coming out of knee surgery often have their leg strapped to a machine that is moving their leg in circles as if they were riding a bicycle. Anti-inflammatory medication can be taken if the pain becomes too much to sleep at night or if it carries on for too long, but these should be taken with care because they interrupt the natural healing process, and they have side effects like stomach ulcers, liver and kidney damage. Most importantly, if you are unsure about your injury, it is important that you see a doctor as soon as possible. Please subscribe if you liked this video. We release health videos regularly, and our next video will be about the second stage of healing, repair. Thank you for watching.